What's up, beautiful people? LosingDrea here, and I'm coming to you guys with a video. I know you haven't seen me in a while. Time has definitely not been a friend of mine lately. I have tried to do videos on here, and I've done a few, and for whatever reason, the editing software that I use decided that I wasn't using the premium version that I paid for. I was using some other version that when I went to export the video and save it, it was then asking if I wanted to convert it to the paid version, and trying to switch it over, it put some big, in red letters, the name of the software. And it's not that I'm hiding the name of the software, but it's like right in my face. Totally ruined my video, and I can't stand it. So a couple of videos I've done before I didn't post. One I did about how I'm going to clean up my channel and get rid of a lot of these larger YouTubers that they're not doing me a bit of good by watching them, and I don't have the time to sit there and keep up with them, and they're making plenty of money without my subscription. The other thing is just, everything's been fine ever since I found out that I don't have cancer, and I've just been working a lot and trying to switch from nighttime hours to work to daytime hours. Recently, they had put me, like in the last couple of months, they put me on Paxil for menopausal symptoms, for like hot flashes and anxiety, where like my chest felt like it was gonna burst out of my whole body. And I'm trying to wean myself off of that as best I can. If I find that in quitting it, once I do, if I still get the anxiety, I might go back to it or ask for something else, because there were days when I messed up because I'm not used to taking any meds at all other than Advil liquid gel when I have a headache. And what was happening was I was getting extreme sadness and depression and thoughts of suicide. And those are side effects, guys. So I don't know what I'd rather deal with, but that wasn't a side effect that I needed to deal with. I'm generally a very happy person. Even when things are down, I always try to turn it around and turn a positive from a negative. And I couldn't in those days. And then I realized, oh my God, I forgot a couple of days to take my stupid bloody pill. So that's what happened there. I'm not looking too great right now at the moment, and I've been rubbing my eyes a lot, and that's why I'm not wearing any makeup. My hair is a little mess, but it worked for Albert Einstein. Hey, if that man can be as an intelligent guy as he is and not have to brush his hair, then why should I? Maybe it'll help me, because I need all the help I can get. But I wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys. I also wanted to say happy anniversary to my channel. Today marks 7 years since I started on October 11th, 2011. I actually started my journey October 2nd, 2011, but it was a few days in before I actually started this channel here on YouTube. And yeah, 7 years, and I'm not even at my first goal, which was to be in Wonderland. Go figure. I've tried everything short of weight loss surgery, which, let me say before you guys, it's not a cop-out. My mom has had it. My husband has had it. It's just not for me. Sometimes I think I would love to have it, because it would be a great tool to get me started. Because I've been actually going at this let's eat right thing in my mind for the longest time, but I don't have the means or the affordability to have that kind of surgery. So I'm not opting for that type of surgery. I'm trying to just do it with healthy eating. And if you've watched me on my channel, then you know I've tried so many different ways of eating, not eating, doing only salads, the vegetarian thing, not eating red meat, now eating red meat. So the thing with me is trying things so like maybe you don't have to, but everybody needs to try their own thing, do their own research and see what works for them. And it's just like this keto thing, it'll be 2 years coming this January, and I just keep going back to it because it makes me feel my best. It helps with the inflammation and the pain. I have no headaches, no heartburn, no backaches, no neck aches. Everything just feels so much better. And just the last couple of days, I got to tell you, I think I did something wrong, which kicked me out of ketosis due to the fact that I was having a little tinge in the back, and I was having a little bit of heartburn, and my sleep patterns are really, really sucky. And it could be because of this stupid pill that I'm trying to get off of. So that's where I'm at. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please click the the subscribe link down below. It helps if you give this video a like, share it with anybody you think might be able to use it, or any of my videos. They'll be able to find my channel through this video. And yeah, there's not a whole lot that I can say. I keep redoing this video as I've done a couple other ones before. And when I went to save it, it was just, the stupid program didn't save it right. And I had that crud on the front like a watermark. And it was like real big bold letters right in front of my face, or I would have kept it, because I just haven't put any videos out here for you guys. And I'm so very sorry about that. I really don't have much more to say, because I don't want to keep making excuses. I want to come on here and do videos for you guys. I want to be better at that for me too, because this is my channel. I started as a way to help me look back on my journey and see what worked for me and what didn't, and also to share with others, because I know I can't keep what I have if I don't give it away. So anyways, that's all I got. So with that said, be happy, be healthy, be beautiful, but just be you. Be the boss of your loss if you're on a weight loss journey, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you all. Be blessed. Mwah.